Hi guys, it's Jackson here, and I have ordered a PlayStation 4 pre-owned from GameLoot.in. So today I'll be unboxing the same. So I've ordered this PlayStation on November 25th of 2021. It cost me around 17,000 rupees. That is the 15,500 for the PlayStation. It is a 1 TB PlayStation 4. It's a pre-owned PlayStation, and I also purchased the 6-month extended warranty for the same. That is for 1,600 rupees. By default, the company gives a 7 days warranty, but I didn't want to take the risk on a pre-owned device, so I bought the 6 months warranty. So without any delay, let's unbox this product. So guys, this is the white box in which the PlayStation has come. So they have not given the original PS4 box, the Sony box, blue color one. This is the normal box that they give. So it depends from device to device, I guess. If you buy a open box product from GameLoot, they might give you the PS4 in the original box itself. But since it's a pre-owned uh, console, I don't think the person who submitted this console has given it with the box. Okay, so these are the contents of the box. Okay, there's something else inside as well. Okay, so that's it. So let's go through the items one by one. We'll start with the accessories. So here is a wrapped PS4 controller. So this seems like an original PS4 controller. Okay, so this is an original Sony PS4 controller. The condition of the controller is very nice. Like there is hardly any scratch or anything as such. Like there is no visible damage to the controller. This seems almost like a new one itself. So if this is an original new Sony controller, then I am like very happy to have received it in this condition. There's hardly any scratch on this. So moving on to the rest of the thing. So the wiring that has come with this PlayStation is this is the controller charging cable that has come. So this also looks like a new cable. I think they provide their own cable, some kind of new cable. This might not be the original PlayStation cable, I'm not sure, but it looks very new. Like even on this cable there is hardly any signs of usage. It looks like exactly a brand new cable. There's any like hardly visible usage, damage, scratches, anything, not even a light scratch. Okay, so moving on, we have a HDMI cable here to connect the console to the TV. So as with the rest of the cables, even this cable is a completely new. There is hardly any scratch even on this cable. I just don't understand how they are offering new cables, like completely new cables with the console. Okay, then this is the power cable. So the power cable surprisingly appears to be used one, because I can make that out with there is some kind of paint residue on the cable. So from that I can make out that this is a used cable. that might have come along with the PlayStation itself. So this is a I don't know how to call it. This is kind of the flat head kind of plug, 5 ampere plugs. This is not the Indian plug, so you might need an adapter to use this with the Indian plug socket. Okay, so moving on to the rest of the stuff, there is the bill for the products. So I had also ordered 2 games along with this PlayStation. The games are also pre-owned. These are not new games. So I bought the Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition for the PS4 for 400 rupees, and the Last of Us Remastered for PS4, that is for 600 rupees. So I bought 2 games for around 998. That's like around 1000 rupees. Both are used. And we'll move on to the CDs. So there's another invoice. This is for the console and the warranty, extended warranty. So as you can see, it's 17,098. So total it came up to me for around 18,100 for the PlayStation, 2 games, and 6 months of extended warranty. Okay, so this is one of the CDs that I've got. The PS4, The Last of Us Remastered game. So this is it has a stamp on it, Game Loot certified pre-owned. So if you open, it even has the documents intact. So whatever the documentation came with the game, it's still intact. So we'll move on to the rest of the stuff. Okay, so the console came with these cardboard supporters. So I'm just going to hold this and remove the supporters. Also, there's a second game here. The second game is here. I'll just put the PlayStation down. So let's check the second game as well. So this is the Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition that I got. So as you see, this is an original game, Game Loot certified pre-owned. So this is the PS4 game that I purchased. So even this comes with the original PlayStation documents intact with it, and the CDs. So these game CDs are certified by Game Loot. These are they try it and they make sure that the CDs work properly before putting it on sale. So you can buy the games from Game Loot, as well as you can sell them back for a good price once you are done with the games. So this is the PS4 actual console that finally we wanted to unbox. So the console looks good enough. There's no signs of any scratch or any major dent or any damage as such. There are some minor scratches which are hardly noticeable, some signs of some sticker or something, some residue glue, but no major signs of physical damage as such. It looks pretty clean, completely clean. So this is the 1 TB console that I purchased. Now speaking about the seal, as you can see here, the seal is still intact. So this is not broken, in the sense this console has not been opened yet, as far as I can make out from the seal. So yeah, let's if possible, I'll maybe post another video showing how the gameplay is of the games that I have purchased with this console, and maybe after 5 months or 6 months I can give you a review of how the console is performing after 6 months or maybe even a year. So that's all that is there. I hope this video is helpful for you in case you are planning to purchase a console from GameLoot. Also, their staff are very good. Their office is in Mumbai itself, and since I am located in Mumbai, therefore I got this console within the same day. I ordered it yesterday night around 3 a.m. and I got this around today evening by 4 p.m. Also, they will call you in case of any doubt or anything, and the staff is also very well mannered, and they'll speak to you politely and answer all your queries. So that's all for this video. uh, Thank you. Bye.